coffee. Can I try some? You better be careful. You remember the last time you... Whee! Not again. Whee! Okay then. Do you like cheese? I like cheese. Cheese is cheesy. Whee! That was random. You're smashed! Fascinating. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. Whee! Rock on, man. Hey, look at my sleigh walk. Whee! Okay, then. Indiana, I sense a disturbance in the force. Your face. Whee! I don't get it. Sneaky, 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 whee! You say? Pie equals yummy, whee! No, it doesn't. Hey Adam, I reject your reality and substitute my own. Whee! Have fun with that. Hey, look at me, I'm a horsey. Yeehaw! Whee! Uh-oh, looks like she's been into the coffee again. Yeah, what's up, Doc? Whee! She's been drinking your coffee again, hasn't she? Yep. Want me to sedate her? Nah, I think it's about to wear off in about 5 seconds anyway. I'm sleepy now. Yeah.